एयर सैंपल है in which oxygen and nitrogen का mole ratio है 21:79. This is heated to 2400 degrees centigrade. If mole percent of NO at equilibrium is 1.8%, calculate Kp for the reaction N2 plus O2 forming 2NO. Now Kp can be written as Kc RT delta N. यहाँ delta N की वैल्यू क्या होगी? Delta N is equal to moles of the product, the gaseous product minus moles of the gaseous reactant. तो gaseous product कितने मोल्स है? 2 मोल्स. तो 2 माइनस और gaseous reactant कितने मोल है? 1 मोल ऑफ नाइट्रोजन एंड 1 मोल ऑफ ऑक्सीजन. तो टोटल हो गया 2 मोल्स. तो डेल्टा एन की वैल्यू आ जाएगी 0. सो डेल्टा एन हियर इज इक्वल टू 0. सो Kp is equal to Kc RT raised to the power 0. So ultimately Kp is equal to Kc. If we find out the value of Kc, we will get the value of Kp also. तो मोल रेशो दिया है मल्टीप्लाइड बाय अ कॉमन फैक्टर, लेट इट बी y. तो मोल्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन आ गया 79y एंड मोल्स ऑफ ऑक्सीजन हो गया 21y. एंड लेट z moles of nitrogen react with z moles of oxygen to form 2z moles of NO. तो रिमेनिंग मोल्स ऑफ नाइट्रोजन हो गया 21y माइनस z. रिमेनिंग मोल्स ऑफ ऑक्सीजन हो गया 79y minus z and NO formed is 2z. So adding moles of nitrogen, oxygen and NO formed at equilibrium, total number of moles at equilibrium is 100y. Mole percent of NO at equilibrium is given as 1.8%. So moles of NO, that is 2z, divided by total number of moles, that is 100y, into 100 will be equal to 1.8. Solving z की value आ जाएगी 0.9y. Now Kc is equal to concentration of NO raised to the power 2 divided by concentration of N2 multiplied by concentration of oxygen. So Kc is equal to 2z square because equilibrium concentration of NO is 2z divided by product of the concentration of N2 and O2. Putting the value of z equals to 0.9y and solving, Kc की value आ जाएगी 2.1 into 10 to the power minus 3. Therefore, the value of Kp is also 2.1 into 10 to the power minus 3.